In this video,
we will learn how to invite friends in GTA 5. In GTA Online, in order to invite your friends into your online session, all you need to do is press escape to go to the main menu of your GTA Online. From here, you can click on the Friends tab. After coming into the Friends tab, you will see all of your friends in here that are currently playing or are added with you. So you can click on any one of your friends that are online. After clicking on them, there will be an option, if they're online, to invite them to your game. You can also see their profile or invite them to your club. You can also invite your friends to your game by going into their profile section and selecting player action. From here, you will find an option to invite them to the game you are currently playing through the Rockstar Game Launcher. So this is how you can easily invite your friends in a GTA 5 online session and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.